Have you ever wondered whether the AeroIQ air conditioner can really replace a traditional air conditioner while cooling your room in just minutes? Or if it's simply another viral gadget making promises it can't keep? After carefully examining the product, the advertising, and the available evidence, the results raise several important concerns that buyers should know before spending their money. AeroIQ is promoted as a compact wall-mounted device that provides powerful cooling in summer, efficient heating in winter, saves electricity, and installs easily without professional help. However, there is no verified information about its BTU rating, cooling capacity, compressor, or refrigeration system, the essential components that allow real air conditioners to cool an entire room. Instead, the available evidence suggests it functions more like a small fan combined with a basic heating element rather than a true air conditioner. Another issue is that nearly identical products are widely available on wholesale marketplaces like Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu for as little as $5 to $10, while AeroIQ is marketed for well over $100 under a different brand name. The promotional material also relies heavily on dramatic before and after demonstrations, AI-generated images, questionable customer testimonials, and bold performance claims that are not supported by independent testing. The website further creates urgency through permanent discount offers, countdown timers, and low stock messages, which are common marketing tactics designed to encourage impulse purchases. Research also shows that similar versions of this product have received complaints from customers regarding disappointing cooling performance and difficulties with refunds. None of this automatically proves AeroIQ is a scam, but it does mean the advertising appears significantly more impressive than the evidence available to support it. If you're expecting it to replace a real air conditioner, your expectations should be realistic. Before buying, look for verified performance specifications, independent customer experiences, and transparent technical information instead of relying solely on promotional advertisements. Because informed decisions are always better than expensive disappointments,